Hi there, and you're very welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. Today we're going to speak about background music and where to find it, and sound effects also. People have been asking me recently. I uploaded a video on how to add background music to your voiceover and the importance of background music, because really background music, makes your voice sound 10 times better. Not actually the actual sound of your voice, but for a demo, it's clinically proven that if you've got music in the background, it does it can sway a client your way, so you could get the job. Also, it makes it sound more professional. So instead of me rambling on all day, I'm going to show you where you can find royalty free. That means you can use it on YouTube, you can use it on your demo, on the formats, royalty free music and sound effects. And you might think, why would I need sound effects? Well, for example, if you're going to do advertising yourself as a voice artist and you want to do IV or phone messages, telephone messages, instant voice recognition, then it might be pretty cool to have a little bit of music at the start and then perhaps the sound of a telephone ringing. Or I'll give you another example. Recently, I did an advertisement in a Mexican accent for a vape company. The vape that you smoke, fake cigarettes, and they wanted a policeman in it as well, police to come, and a police siren. So I found the police siren sound online, included that in the job, and you can charge extra for something like that. But also, in a lot of these formats, they'll have a section in the custom extras where you can add music and charge people for background music. If it's a telephone message, if it's a commercial for radio or television or anything, music is always good to have. And once you find this music, download it, keep it in your files, and you definitely find a way to use it again a couple of times. So let's crack on, shall we? Bear with me. Okay, here we go. So one site to get free music is to just go into YouTube and put into the search bar royalty free music or royalty free sound effects. And then you'll basically, like, I'll just give an example here. This is upbeat royalty free music. And this will give you a list of different tunes here that somebody's uploaded. Now, okay, I'll just click on one of these for an example and see if they'll play. As always, when I'm recording, well, the ads come in and it's slowed up. It's almost there. Okay, there's the ads gone. Now there's the music, background music, that's fine. So what you could easily do here is just copy the URL in the top and then paste it into one of those sites that convert YouTube to MP3, and away you go. Or there is a couple of other options as well. You could also go to some paid sites which have lots of music. Some are a paid fee, some are monthly subscriptions, like Audio Jungle, Epidemic Sound, Music Bed. These are all paid sites. But if you're on a budget and you're starting out and you don't want to have the hassle of, doing what I just showed you there by copying the URL and then converting it in a converter, which some of these sites carry viruses as well, so might not be the best idea. There is another option, and it's right here on YouTube. Here we go. So this is my page. As you can see, I'm going to go into customize channel. This only works if you have a YouTube account, but of course it's very simple to set up, and I'm sure a lot of you who are watching this video will of course have a YouTube account. It is a little bit slow today because whenever I record, make these videos, a lot of times things slow up, so bear with me for a couple of seconds. Okay, here we go. So I just clicked on channel customization and it's brought me here. And if you scroll down to the bottom left-hand side, you'll see audio library. So I've clicked on that. And once again, this will take a couple of seconds. Here we go. So we've got thousands and thousands of amazing tunes here, free music, royalty-free background music that you can use on YouTube. You can use it on your demo, and you can go into the search bar. So let's, for example, say we want scary music. Yeah. Let's see what comes up. There we go. Okay, the Devil's Piano. All right, there's a few different options. This is just an example. Now, the beauty of this in YouTube is that basically you don't need to convert anything or go to any dodgy website and convert from, YouTube to MP3. It's already there. All you have to do is click on download, and all these songs, thousands of background music tracks, are all free. Another option is, bear with me a second, so you can see lots there. Just type in what you want. Sound effects. The sound effects, like we spoke about before, really important to put into your voiceover, your voiceover demo if you're building a demo. So let's have a look. We'll say if we can find a telephone sound, telephone ring, perhaps. See what happens. There's a telephone ring. Let's give this a listen. Hello? And there's lots there. I'll just run through what I showed you, if we can find it. The police siren, for example. Fantastic. So there you are, folks. Royalty-free sound effects and music. Very quick, very simple, no conversions, won't cost you a penny or a dollar or a euro. All you have to do is log into a YouTube account, customize channel, scroll down to the bottom left-hand side, and you will find the audio library where you can click in and just be where I've been. And, a lot of my demos are made from background music that I've got just from YouTube, which is fantastic, and it's free. And YouTube wants to keep you on YouTube, obviously, so that they're going to help you out. But not just for your voiceover demos, for anything you want, they're there. So yeah, I hope that helps. Once again, if you have any questions or anything at all, as always, put them in the comment section, and I'll do my absolute best to answer them. Somebody did ask about Voquent, which is a voiceover site. I will be doing a tutorial on that pretty soon. That'll be coming up very soon, so don't worry, it's coming up on my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button on the bottom right hand side, like the video, and hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video or a tutorial, you'll get notified. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy voiceover.